Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Sandals Grand St Lucian Spa and Beach Resort, and behind me I have a special treat for you today. It is one of their Grande Rondoval Butler Suites with private pool sanctuary. It's a signature of Sandals. They're expanding it. We're finding it at more and more resorts. This is fantastic and I can't wait to show you. Each Rondoval Suite is its own private structure and villa. As you can see when you walk in, it's round. That's where it gets the name from it, of course. See right here in the middle of it, you have the large 4-poster king-size bed, one of the signatures of Sandals. But what I love is the beautiful architecture. You've got the 2 fans, the large light right here, but the beautiful ceiling as well. And it wraps all the way around. The restroom's gonna be behind there. And then right here, you'll step out to your outdoor private pool and jacuzzi. We'll show you that in just a minute, but let me show you the entire room. So right when you walk in the door to your right, you've got a small butler's pantry right here. You've got a coffee maker and tea kettle, coffee and tea that they'll replenish daily. Underneath, you're gonna have your mini fridge stocked with beer, wine, soda, juices, bottled water, and of course, your favorite mixers. Now, before you even arrive, we're gonna have a special preference form between you and the butler. We're gonna coordinate that so that they know exactly what you're expecting, what you love, so they can make your romance extra special. Now you also see you have a small sink, and there's gonna be full-size liquor bottles as well. Another one of those great upgraded butler level amenities. Now over here, you're gonna see the large king-size bed. On one side, you have a phone. The other side, you're gonna have your Bluetooth speaker with extra USB chargers. Now you notice on this side of the bed, you have a US plug and a UK plug. Because St. Lucia primarily uses the UK plugs, you may wanna bring an extra 1 or 2 with you, a converter, so that you can utilize all the plugs in the room throughout your stay. Over here to my right, you're gonna have a small in-room dining table with 2 chairs. Now, another one of those butler amenities is 24-hour complimentary room service. In addition to that, they can deliver food to you just about anywhere on the resort. They can head down first thing in the morning and reserve a pool chair or a chair right on the beach. They're gonna stock a cooler just for you. Once again, to make sure that your preferences and what you love is exactly what you get. Now you have a small bench seat at the foot of the bed here. You can see once again the beautiful architecture, coffee table, 2 chairs as well, and an extra large flat panel television. Now those full-size liquor bottles are just tucked right underneath here as well. You've got Tanqueray, some Black Label, Absolute Vodka, and Appleton Estate rum. Once again, you can customize that based on your preferences. Now, as we continue on to the other side, you can see the nightstand on the other side of the table. This is the French doors that open up completely to head out to the outdoor area. And then right here, you have a small makeup area to get ready. So you've got a little ottoman seat that pops out. You've got US plugs and you've got UK plugs as well. Just around the corner, you're gonna find your storage area. You've got a large closet here. You've got extra towels, pillows, and blankets, an ironing board. You're also gonna have a full-size golf umbrella, hair dryer, and that safe big enough for a laptop. Now, another one of those great butler level amenities are the extra comfy robe and slippers. Next up is your large master bathroom. So you got the toilet tucked away there in the corner. There is a door for privacy, and you have a huge double vanity. In fact, the first vanity is over here. You've got a backlit mirror, and then on the other side, you have another sink, backlit mirror. You've got your scale underneath there, extra towels as well. And here you'll find your full-size bath amenities from the Red Lane Spa. Now keep in mind, if you wanna see the Red Lane Spa here on site, any of the restaurants, pools, or that incredible beach, make sure you check out our full resort tour where you can see all of that. Over to my right, you have a large soaking tub with a beautiful skylight up above. This is another one of those things that the butler can do for you. They can even draw a bubble bath if you would like. Have a nice glass of champagne waiting for you as well. Now, just through here, you're gonna find the shower. So you have a modified Rainforest shower head up above here. And a very interesting feature of this is there's actually a door that walks right out to your private space. Now there's several ways to step out to your private pool sanctuary. This is just one of them, so I'm gonna shut the door here. You've got a curtain for privacy. And then right there you have a large Rainforest outdoor shower. So you've got your indoor shower entrance right here to my left, outdoor shower right here to my right. Now, as we head out, there's two main features out here. So right here, you're gonna find a small jacuzzi tub, perfect for 2 people. They've got a towel bar right there, and then beautiful plants in the corner. These are those French doors I was pointing at in the bedroom where you can open it up. I do like to open that up from time to time. You can listen to the waterfall feature. It's really, really nice. You've got 2 large loungers. Now, this is a shallow entrance right here, so you can even pull these down further, put your toes in the water where you sit and relax. You got a little coffee table right there, perfect spot for a cocktail, maybe a glass of wine. And then here you're gonna find your private pool that is in the name of the room. You've got your waterfall feature right there, a small bench seat, and over on the other side, you actually have 2 chairs and a table, another perfect place to take advantage of that 24-hour room service. And then one of my all-time favorite features of any room, you've got the hammock. So when you're ready at the end of the day to sit back, relax, and chill in your own private space, well, this is where you're gonna find me. Good night. So when you're ready to make this incredible villa your home while on vacation, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive experts. As you can tell, we know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with Sandals and Beaches Resorts, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, your group, honeymoon, or wedding party at an incredible value.